Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Idiom's Origin. Have you ever said something so perfectly correct that it solved a big problem? That's what we call hitting the nail on the head. It's a phrase about perfect accuracy, but what's its simple, hands-on origin? Let's find out. Meaning of to hit the nail on the head. First, let's understand its meaning. To hit the nail on the head means to say or do something exactly right, to find the precise solution to a problem or to state the exact truth about a situation. It's about being perfectly accurate and insightful. The practical origin story. The origin of this idiom is wonderfully straightforward and comes from the world of carpentry and construction. Imagine a carpenter working with a hammer and a nail. The goal is to drive the nail into a piece of wood with a single, precise strike of the hammer. If the carpenter misses, they might bend the nail or damage the wood. But when they hit the top of the nail, known as the head, with perfect accuracy on the first try, they have completed the task with skill and precision. This simple, practical act became a powerful metaphor. Just as the carpenter hits the nail perfectly, a person who hits the nail on the head gets to the core of a complex issue with perfect accuracy. They haven't wasted time or effort. They have found the exact right answer. Early usage and evolution. The idiom has been around for centuries, with early versions appearing in English literature as far back as the 16th century. It has always been used to praise someone's insight and directness, cementing its place in the language as a go-to phrase for acknowledging a brilliant point. Modern usage and examples. Today, we use to hit the nail on the head in a variety of situations. The politician's speech really hit the nail on the head when he talked about the economy. I couldn't figure out what was wrong with the car, but the mechanic looked at it and immediately hit the nail on the head. Your analysis of the problem really hit the nail on the head. You found the perfect solution. Conclusion. So, the next time you hear someone say something perfectly true and insightful, remember this classic idiom. It's a timeless tribute to accuracy and getting to the heart of the matter. That's it for this episode of the Idiom's Origin. What other smart or insightful idioms are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fascinating linguistic journeys.